The hell was that? Her voice. It's so annoying. I wish Tara Strong dubbed her. I really do. I really want Tara Strong to dub her. Was Cassandra, was it like that in the comics? They totally rip off Deadpool vibe. I know that. The way they did it. It totally rip off Deadpool vibe. This movie could have been better. Like seeing Prometheus. The prequel for Alien. That was terrible. Alien Covenant comes up. Alien Covenant. And you're hoping that it will be a lot better than the Prometheus movie. It sure wasn't. It was a pile of shit. That's what happened to this movie. They did exactly the same formula of Prometheus in the Alien Covenant movie. I didn't really enjoy it. Nope. Could have been better. Nope. Well, can't wait to see a Sonic movie. This is wiplocjr saying, adios amigos, adios.